Today's here, an orange iPhone, and I really can't believe it. This, of course, is the iPhone 17 Pro in the all-new, and if we're going to be honest with each other, probably the last time cosmic orange. This is definitely the color to get, but they also have silver, midnight blue, and the Pro Max model now goes up to 2 terabytes, which is just crazy. And if we're new to there, hi, my name is Jamie. I am the biggest fan of the color orange. There's plenty of videos here on the channel of me opening up orange tech, and when I was watching the keynote for the iPhone 17 Pro, my heart really sank when I saw this orange iPhone. I know there were rumors of an orange iPhone. I thought it would be like a gold or a bronze, and I didn't think they would actually have a saturated Pro orange iPhone. And here it is. It looks saturated in the videos. It looks saturated in the box. Have not yet seen this in person yet, so let's go ahead and get this guy unboxed because I am so excited to check him out. And this year we have gone back to aluminum from titanium for cooling and weight purposes. Personally, I was a big fan of titanium as well as the natural titanium colorway. The past generation cycle, I did go silver, and to be honest, I did kind of regret that because I did think the natural titanium was one of my favorite colors until today. And naturally, we should just have a couple pull tabs here. This is the 512 gigabyte model. I'm so excited. Please be saturated. Oh my God. And it is, oh my goodness. It looks so orange. It looks so good. Oh my goodness. I am not a big fan of this two-tone look here with the ceramic shield. The camera plateau, which only Apple could name a camera bump and turn it into a feature, it is now the plateau. So all the chips and all the brains are stored here so that we could get even longer battery life. Sides look absolutely fantastic. We still have camera control. And so to be honest, 6 months out of the year with the iPhone 16 Pro, I did not use camera control, but now I always find myself clicking that button. So it was an underrated feature originally when I unboxed the iPhone 16 Pro, but I have used it. It took half a year, but I do use it now. We still have the action button, of course, and then we have volume controls. No SIM card, so it's eSIM, and we have this very odd antenna here. So that's the antenna. Before we take off that screen protector, all we have, unfortunately, is just a braided USB-C to USB-C cable. No stickers or anything like that anymore. Would have been really cool if this was also color matched because we all need a little bit more orange in our lives. Going ahead and peeling this fella off. It is so shimmery, so splendid. So we still have 3 camera systems there. They're now all 48 megapixel ultra fusion cameras. And really, to be honest, the main wide sensor has been the same for many generations since the iPhone 14 Pro. So the upgrade this time around is for the telephoto lens. It is now 48 megapixels. And honestly, I just really wish they were able to get it all the same orange color as the aluminum, just like in the glass here in the back. Why couldn't it have all just been glass? I'm sure there was a reason, and if you use a case protector, you might not really notice. We do have some upgrades in that front camera that we'll talk about in just a moment, but of course it's powered by USB-C as it has been for a few years now. And since we have gone to this camera plateau, again, the battery is going to be a little larger, so we do have 39 hours of video playback. There is a new vapor chamber to help keep things cool, and one thing with the iPhone 16 Pro is that it did get hot. I do play a lot of Pokemon Go, which requires you to be outside, a lot of screen on time as you try to catch them all. And I really don't mind the heat in my hands, but unfortunately it won't charge to protect your battery if your iPhone is too hot. So I'm really hoping this vapor chamber will allow me to continue to catch Pokemon without overheating. Another helpful upgrade to my Pokemon Go experience is that the screen should now be up to 3000 nits of peak brightness versus the 2000 nits, which is going to make things a lot easier for you to view while you're outside. The screen has also been upgraded to ceramic shield too, so it should be 3 times more durable as well as scratch resistant than the previous generation. The glass here on the back is ceramic shield, the original, so I'm really worried that it's going to get a little scratch and scuffed up along with the aluminum, but the glass in the front should be a bit more durable at the end of the day. I will say I have not cracked an iPhone, knock on wood, in many years. So as far as cracking, I have not done, but I've definitely scratched up an iPhone or two. So that ceramic shield version 2 should hopefully help that out. And a final upgrade to this screen that I can remember off the top of my head is that there's a new anti-reflective layer on the iPhone 17 Pro. We could check that out in a later video. But of course, this is all powered by the brand new A19 Pro chip. And there's a lot of new video features to the iPhone 17 Pro. You can now record in RAW, which is just wild. I thought log was great, and those files are absolutely huge. So I can't even imagine what those RAW files will be, right? ProRes RAW files. Those things are going to be huge. The front camera finally got an upgrade as well. It is a 24 megapixel square sensor. So you're able to take vertical videos as well as horizontal videos or photos while just holding your phone in the traditional manner. It does also have center stage. So personally, I don't have the longest arms. I'm a small guy. So trying to shoot selfies, not that I really shoot selfies, it's always hard, but I do always have the latest phone. So everyone wants to use my phone, but it's like, okay, well, who has the longer arms? And now with center stage, everyone should be able to fit in the frame of the photo. Again, whether you're holding your phone in vertical or in landscape mode. So really try to just check out that feature as well. And I say this every year, but this was truly the year that I was not going to upgrade unless we got a true orange iPhone. And I will say we absolutely did. Are there things I don't like? Yes, absolutely. I do not like this two-tone look. I wish it was just all one look. I don't like this larger camera bump, which we're calling a plateau. And I also don't like that we went back to aluminum. That's unfortunate. Really like the titanium, but I'm a big fan of this orange color, of course. Let me know down in the comments what you are a fan of. And while you're down there, of course, don't forget that like button, subscribe if you haven't. And until next time, guys, I'll see ya.